All right, I love this guy.
The following contest is a handicap match. Introducing first, from New York, weighing in at 184 pounds, the legend, Deadpool.
This is someone I can give my full support to. Someone who has the guts to stand up for what's right.
What are they, a knight in shining armor? Give me a break. A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
Are you guys ready?
And their opponent from Brooklyn, New York, weighing in at 270 pounds, the Superstar M.
The tension building for this match is so thick you can cut it with a knife. A lot of drama involved with this one.
We are about to see something good.
And from overseas, weighing in at 130 pounds, the Ghost Hunter.
I don't always agree with it, but this superstar isn't afraid to come out here and take things by force.
Oh, you hypocrite. I'll just wait until another superstar, one you don't like, Saxton, decides to come out and take what they want, and we'll see how you respond then.
Here we go, handicap match underway.
I don't know how you even agree to a match that puts you at a disadvantage like this. Sure, it's a show of great confidence in your ability if you win, but if you lose, that might be the ultimate embarrassment.
How's that for a counter? The springboard attack fails to land.
Oh, this will rearrange your face in a hurry. Right in the face.
And with an onslaught of strikes like that, it's clear they have nothing but punishment on their mind. He saw it coming, taking advantage.
This is not...
Using the elbow to escape the attack.
like he's got 11 arms and feet. Exploder suplex.
Straight to the floor.
Brash decision-making there proved to be extremely detrimental.
Can you recover from such an error? You have to wonder.
Beats to the bottom.
Every strike more devastating than the last.
Gets the cover. Shoulder up, and the referee ends the count.
It's not over yet. Plenty left to go in this one.
Able to counter. Oh! Comes in off the tag.
Ooh, forearm connects.
Besides the numbers, what other stressors are there in a handicap match, Corey?
Well, not only do you have to overcome the numbers, you have to overcome the different styles of your opponent. You can't strategize for just one superstar, so you really have to be ready for anything.
What a shot!
That'll fillet your chest.
Uh-oh.
Alley-oop! He's in off the tag. Reversal! Can he take advantage? Springboard.
Hey, moonsault! Oh, wow.
A roll of the dice, and it pays off in full. Ouch.
Face first off the knee.
Don't come over here.
Cole, quick, use Saxton as a human shield.
Getting carried. Unsure what they're thinking. Oh, look at this.
A collision like that could mark a turning point for this entire match. He avoids the damage.
The ref still counting. Might be a count out.
Phew, that was close.
Can't prepare your face for that.
Is it enough? And a kick out before the count even begins.
Maybe that was just to keep his opponent off balance.
Got him set up in the corner of the ring.
Uncorks a thunderous chop. Oh, hanging on for dear life.
Oh, an alley-oop bomb.
No muss, no fuss.
He can end it here. A kick out before three.
That was a long 2 count there.
Oof. Just punched him right in the mouth. Relentless. Right to the face.
My God.
Ooh, stiff punch.
With the counter.
Tag made. Here we go. That was nasty.
It's got to be demoralizing when you're the combatant on the wrong side of the double team. Maybe you want to rework the game plan about now.
Golly, that sounded rough. Ooh, that's a kick that would leave you gasping for air.
So ruthless.
Cuts off their offense with a swift elbow to the gut.
Gets him with the counter.
Nasty right hand. Vicious enziguri.
Stone Cold. That should do it right there.
Cover.
He manages to kick out. What strength.
Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are.
And the heaviest hitter in the arsenal was not enough. Oh, look at the impact here.
Pummeling the chest of their opponent.
This is brutal. Endless blows.
And the WWE Universe is making their appreciation for these gladiators known.
No way.
Oh, no. Crashing hard onto the floor.
My goodness, I think I heard something break on that crash landing. Ooh,
shot to the body and another.
Oh, it is over. You can see as he rises how vulnerable of a position he's in. Here it comes. Looking for a choke slam. All he has to do is capitalize. The admiration for these superstars is echoing throughout this arena right now.
The cover. He stops the count for his partner.
What are we about to... Ooh!
Right to hamstring. And now he's taken control.
Yeah, he's showing no signs of ending this assault. Night-night.
Cover! 2 count. He did it! He did it!
Here is your winner, the legend, Deadpool.
Wow, just wow. A tremendous win in this match.
The action we just witnessed was really something else.
This is one I won't forget for a long time.